Welcome. I'm Ann Kent, a registered dietitian and the creator of this app. Let me show you a couple of my favorite features to help you get started. Right now, you're in the dashboard, the beginning of your journey. The tabs on the bottom of your mobile device will help you navigate through the app. In the Recipes tab, you can browse by category or tap the magnifying glass to search for something specific. Type an ingredient or recipe name into the search bar, or use the filter icon to select recipe filters. Filter based on nutrient needs, how much time you have, or which ingredients to include or exclude. In the Meal Plans tab, premium subscribers will find a new meal plan every week, filled with inspiration to expand the types of meals and foods you feed your family. Tap on the pencil icon to edit the meal plan and delete recipes you don't need, adjust serving sizes, or add extra recipes. Once you make your adjustments, flip to the Shopping List tab, where you can delete ingredients you already have, add additional items, and sync your list with Instacart for grocery delivery or pickup. Both Premium and Recipes users also have the option to make a meal plan from scratch. Simply tap Create Plan, choose Recipes List, and add the recipes you need for the week. The Journeys tab offers a getting started guide, as well as different health journeys to guide you through simple steps to take in the kitchen, which can help you manage different needs. Finally, the Resources tab offers all kinds of information. Check there if you have a question about how to use the app, how to prep a vegetable, or find kitchen product recommendations. If you need anything, I'm only an email away. Contact me at ann@peasandhappiness.com and I'd be glad to help. I hope you enjoy these recipes as much as my own family does. Welcome to the table.